Hey guys, so we're gonna make red beans and rice. Bag of beans, 69.89 cheap. We're gonna make it in the Instapot. And guys, did you know there's a saute function right there? That's gonna help you saute your meat and your veggies. Let's go. Turn on the saute function. Taking a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of the pot. If you don't have olive oil, use a little bit of vegetable oil. They both work. So there you hear it buzzing, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw in all the sausage and the vegetables and do them together. There is another video on my feed, one where we're cooking it and I show you the results. Another one where I talk about the no soak red beans. You do not have to soak your red beans. I've done that myself, but I'm not gonna keep doing that because I don't have that kind of time. And if I can save time and do something else, I'm gonna use this Instapot, and I'm not gonna babysit beans. I'm gonna put these beans in the Instapot and go do something else. Pressure cook in 45 minutes. Make sure that this is on sealing and not venting so that it gets the maximum pressure to cook those beans in 45 minutes. You guys know red beans take a while to cook, but I'm letting this do all the work for me. I'll see this in 45 minutes. This little doodoggle here is still up. That means there's still pressure inside of the Instapot. Sometimes when I'm ready and I need to get to it because the beans are in here, I just get it going. And I open the valve to let some of the steam out, and then this should drop down, and then you can open the pot and there will be no pressure. It's a little watery, and that's not what we want, but the beans are in here doing well. I'm gonna increase this by putting it back on that saute function we talked about, because I want what we call in the South a little bit of pot liquor, you know, to put on rice, because I don't want it to be watery or thin like this. And I'm also going to mash the beans a little bit, which creates that pot liquor that we're looking for. But put that back on your saute function for about 10 minutes or so.